Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the location of your folder in Dropbox. First of all, you should install Dropbox in your PC. Now, go to the Start menu, go to Dropbox, click on the folder or click on the settings which is over here. You can go to your account, click on Preference and go to Sync section. Tap on the sync section and you can see down that there is option of changing the folder. After you click on it, you can change your location. I'll show it to you again. Go to Start menu, open Dropbox, go to your profile, then click on Preferences. Now go to Sync, tap on it and you can see there is option of changing it. Click on Move and now you can choose the location where you want to transfer all of your files to. After pressing OK, you should read this as you can transfer all of your items. Now, your folder has been moved. Click on Apply or OK, and then it has been moved. Let me show it to you again. Go to Dropbox, go to your account, go to Preference, go to Sync, go to Move, which is down, and select the folder which you want to change your Dropbox location to. Press on OK. And all of your Dropbox items has been moved to the location which you just chose. So this was a video on how you can choose your location or change your location in Dropbox using the File Explorer app. I guess this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.